Hey everybody, welcome back. So unfortunately for me, since I don't have 1,000 subscribers and anything awesome, just little old me, my little old channel, simple, very simple. Anyways, I can't go live anymore from my phone, because of the recent policy updates. We're not going to get into that. But anyways, so on today's programming or pre-recorded message, we are going to try to put some life back into this bad boy here. This is our planter box, vegetable garden area. As you see, it looks like no bueno as of right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna treat it like it's the $6 million man. We're gonna rebuild it and make it stronger than it was and never was before. All that good stuff, you know what I mean? I have to watch out for all the landmines over here. Sorry, everybody. I didn't do a little quick cleanup. My bad. My bad, Bobby. Okay, everybody. So basically, quick little tour of my little shop. Oh, look at there. Ooh, oh, fancy. Yay. Ooh, look here. Big old beautiful pile of dirt. Look at there. Ooh, beautiful bike. Ooh, bicicleta. Bicycle. Look at there. That's right. Material. Alright, so as you guys see here, we have ourselves the Great Wall of Plywood. MDF particle board, whatever you want to call it. So what I'm thinking, I've been kind of doing a little researchy, and some people are against it, some people are for it. I'm kind of against it myself. It's just this is what I happen to have at the moment, and unless I go and pick up a bunch of material some 30-40 minutes away, possibly an hour away, I have to drive over there, cut it all up, load it in the back of my truck. And it was recently used for a concrete support wall, so it's gonna have a bunch of pieces of concrete on there. I don't really know if I want that in my quote-unquote organic garden. And then there's the whole chemical composite of this stuff. Do I want this in my quote-unquote organic garden? I was looking into treated wood, but then of course everybody's saying, no, that's not considered organic. You can't use that at all. So everybody's saying use redwood, which these are old redwood fence boards. So that's what this is originally. It works excellent. It lasts a long time. True, very true. Everything's true. So basically, this is what it was. It was some old fence boards. And so I'm not sure if I want to try to recondition this or kind of cut that up and then use that as just like decoration. Anyways, so let's walk over here, step over the ladder and all the vehicle parts. Kind of like a small workshop for me. I'm a crazy people. Here's my little workshop for now. My little work table. It's gonna be another little work table. Look there, beautiful. So everybody, hope everybody's having a wonderful day. We are going to put that right there. Okay, so basically in today's video, we are basically going to be making a raised planter bed box. I really appreciate everybody being here on this beautiful day. As you see, the weather is excellent. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you to YouTube for providing this platform for everyone to work together in a positive and respectful community. And my channel is basically a a combination kind of a channel. I work on car stuff. I like construction. I built that entire cage that's right there. I built that whole thing. And I'm gonna put a planter box right there. And then right underneath all this dirt and stuff right there, there's actually a nice little walkway, but right now it's covered with dirt. But yeah, thank you to YouTube. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. My little shop. Nothing fancy, just basic tools, and more tools, tools everywhere. All right, so I will get back to you guys in a little bit. Oh, let's go see the dogs, the puppies. Hi, doggies. Roof, roof, roof. Look at there, there's the star of the show. Roof, roof, roof. Hi, puppy. Hi. Hi. Look, and there's Boogadoo. That's Boogadoo. That's Fanny. That's Booby, and this is Fanny. Hey, hey. Booby, Fanny. Booby, Fanny. Superstar. Superstar. Hi. Hi, Boogadoo. Hi, Boogadoo. Oh, Boogadoo. See, they got water over there. Look at. I know Boogadoo. Everybody loves Boogadoo. Alright, so his real name is Booby the Third. Alright, guys. I will talk to you guys in a little bit.